What's up guys? Today I am going to expose Slajo because I got bored while exposing Alexander to time. So as you know, Slajo is a famous Melon Playground YouTuber because former largest Melon Playground YouTuber called Bockers make him famous. And yes, he made the wrong person famous. Here a screenshot of him gramming to my friend.
Sarajevo, Rogatica, Visegrad, Vlasenica, tu mi leže pokraj
What the fuck even happening to Slajo nowadays? I know he apologized in the past and he did this shit again. Also the person he groomed to was a boy. So I am just wondering, is this a gay